Greetings, land of YouTube. We have a little bit of Bitcoin pumpage. Unfortunately, if you've been watching my videos, or fortunately, if you've been watching my videos, we broke down out of this triangle. I have a channel here and I have a triangle. When these markets bust out of a triangle, if it were to bust up, they generally will come down and retest and bounce up and confirm. If they break down, they generally will come back up, retest, and break down. I actually was expecting this retest about 24 hours ago. It kind of hung down there for a while. What I'm expecting is this is a retest. It's going to bounce off the bottom of this triangle and come down. And this could be the breakdown that I've been calling for over the last month or so. I have this charted out on the hourly chart. This is the same channel, same triangle. This is broken down into hourlies. So like the last chart you were looking at was a daily, like down to here, and the next daily was pumping back up. This is those two daily bars broken down into hourlies. You can see it clearly. Broke out of the triangle. We're still in the big channel, right? This channel is money leaving the market. Money is not entering this market. Money is leaving. It's still leaving. What I'm expecting is this to come up here and bounce somewhere close to the bottom of this triangle. They call it confirmation. When it comes up here and confirms it and bounces down, they call it confirmation. That's when the big boys will put their shorts in and drive this Bitcoin down. And if it goes down to 30,000, Bitcoin's in serious trouble for a long time. If it goes down and breaks a previous low of 28,816, it's big time trouble. That would also break out of the bottom of this channel. I don't want to be the messenger of gloom and gloom, but I'm going to call it how I see it. I have no other objective. I'm going to give it to you how I see it. Is there a chance this could break back into the triangle and break back up? There is a chance. It's not a good chance. This is basically a standard textbook breakdown. Come up, confirm. And when it confirms, the big boys will get involved and they will drive it down. I just want to warn you, I may not be right. I just want to show you what's going on. Over here on the far right, see this little yellow triangle I got set up here at 33,800. I set that there over 24 hours ago. When this initially broke down out of the triangle, I was expecting it actually to break up sooner than this. I have short positions entered at 33,000. Actually, it's 33,789, but just 33,800 for a target. I could be wrong, but I'm expecting this to come up just a touch more, maybe over the next 12 hours or so, next few hours, maybe the next 30 minutes, maybe the next 18 hours. I don't know. I'm expecting it to come back up, retest, and break down. I just want to publish this little video. I have short positions entered at 33,789. I probably should enter them maybe a little higher, but I want to make sure they get in. So at this point, I really like Bitcoin a lot, but I think it's going to break down maybe another 50% from here. And anyone that doesn't tell you that is pretty irresponsible. It's not something I want to happen. I just think it's going to happen. And I think the little person should know. I'm a little person. I'm probably smaller than a lot of the people that are listening, right? Elon Musk tweet just wiped me out. Well, it didn't wipe me out, but it took my, I was ahead. It wiped that out. But I'm not happy about it. And so I'm going to call it how it is from here on out. And the good news is come back and subscribe to my channel. If this breaks down, come back, subscribe. This could be a 2 or 3 year bear market. The interesting thing is I might, if we break down from here, I might have to call sometime in the year 2022, 2023. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a pump, a non-halving cycle pump. And then, of course, 12 to 18 months after that, we will have a guaranteed halving cycle pump. And that's the good news, right? I'm actually looking forward to this bull cycle being over because great things can be done. If this goes down to 20,000, 23,000, 10,000, 9,000, wherever it bottoms out, that's not good, but it's also wonderful because that's when the little guy can come back in and start dollar cost averaging, right? And that's just this is a Wyckoff cycle playing out, and the next cycle will start to begin after this one ends. No matter what happens at this point, there is no greater market cycle than Bitcoin, right? These 4-year halvings are creating these enormous cycles. So the Wyckoff cycle, the Dow cycle theory is fitting Bitcoin perfectly, right? So if you made a mistake, if you got wiped out, if you listened to the wrong people, come back here. And this isn't a short game. This is a long game. Over the next 12, 18, 24 months, we can do some really good things. On the short term, I'm looking for this to come up. I already told you what I'm doing. I could be wrong, could be right. I'm looking for it to bounce off somewhere around the bottom of this triangle over the next day or 2 or 3. And I'm looking for it to dive back down to the bottom of this channel at about 30,000. And at that point, if a daily close happens there, if we set a lower low, it's good night, Irene. That's enough for now. I'll see you next time. And as always, thanks for watching.